Hey guys, Cripple Fossicking Australia. If you're old, welcome back. If you're new, don't forget to like and subscribe. So this isn't a gold video or anything. I just thought a subject that we need to address at the moment. So we've got the gold shows like Gold Rush and stuff, and a lot of people getting into gold lately with the price rise and everything, and that's good. Like, of course it's good. We want more people in the community and nice fellas, but the one thing that I've noticed is people just coming in expecting to make millions of dollars just like off their first pan and pulling sapphire, like $1 million sapphires out of every bloody pan that they take and stuff. And yeah, I just want to give you guys just like a kind of an intro. Like, if you want to get into the prospecting and the kind of stuff that we do, like on these pages and stuff, and you've seen a few of these pages, obviously. If you watch mine, you surely watched a fair few others. And just want to kind of give you guys like a reality check kind of thing, like not in a negative way, just more like, yeah, you're more than welcome. Come in, and have a dig. Go for it. We're more than happy to have you guys here and all that. But it's just like, you're not gonna make $1 million the first time you go out. Like, it takes years and years. Dog's nervous from the thunder, that's all. You right, Dolan? Hey. You're right. Meg, come on. Come on, Meg. Meggy. You're right, Dolan. Yeah, she's nervous too from the... Oh, poor things. Yeah, the thunder. But yeah, you're not gonna make $1 million very quickly. Like, all the money you're expecting to make. It's more lots of hard work and lots of stuffing around to actually work out where the gold is. Come on, Donald. Where the gold is and that kind of thing. And it's a lot of hard work. It's not just as easy as making $1 million in a day. Like, to be honest, guys, like those videos that they show on the gold mining shows and stuff like that, it's more like they're 1 in a million finds, and that's what they'll show on the TV. They won't show the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of hours and the money they spend on these gold claims. And these are specific gold claims, so they're going to get more gold, obviously, than a Fossicking area like anyone else. But yeah, they'll get a $6,000, like $6,000 worth of gold one day. Good girl. You're right, darling. And they're already 80 grand deep. Like, that's the reality of it. And good rain. Yeah, anyway, guys. Alright, I better go. But yeah, that's just how it is. I didn't want to be rough about it. I just want to give you guys a bit of an insight about how it is. And just don't have your expectations too high. Woo! Good rain. Alright, guys, have a good one.